Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn counting 1 to 20. Let's find these numbers. 1. Number 1. 2. Number 2. 3. Number 3. 4. Number 4. 5. Number 5. 6. Number 6. 7. Number 7. 8. Number 8. 9. Number 9. 10. Number 10. 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. This is addition sign. This is subtraction sign. This is division sign. This is equal to. This is multiplication sign. And this is question mark. Our puzzle board is complete, kids. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.